On New This Morning, the Food and Drug Administration says bird flu has been found in milk sold in grocery stores across the country. The agency says lab tests detected remnants of viruses that had been killed during pasteurization. That's when milk is heated briefly to kill pathogens. Experts don't believe the virus particles found in milk could make people sick, but the USDA is conducting more tests to make sure. Bird flu jumped to dairy cows for the first time last month and has now been confirmed in at least 8 states. According to the American Veterinary Medical Association, Hawaii is among 21 states that have restricted importations from states with infected cows.